New York real estate appraiser Jonathan Miller says in the last 7 months, prices have plummeted on homes all over Manhattan, from the financial district to the Upper West Side.
We're looking at, from August to today, on average, a price correction of about 25% on average. And that doesn't matter whether we're talking about a studio or we're talking about a $10 million apartment. It's a pretty universal thing.
Sales in the first quarter of this year crumbled, falling nearly 50% from the same period last year. Meanwhile, inventory continued to expand. It's up more than 34%. Koenig says there is a disconnect between buyers and sellers, mostly when it comes to price. But the realtor's starting to see sprouts of life in the all-important spring market.
Nobody knows how to time the bottom, but the people who are out looking now feel that we're close enough there. If we're not 100% there, we're 80 or 90% there. And they're using this time to get knowledgeable, and they are actually, in some cases, pulling the trigger, which is very different from 3 months ago.
Some experts, however, are more negative on the outlook for Manhattan real estate. Jonathan Miller thinks prices could fall another 15% and says it may take 3 to 4 more years before the market starts to recover, longer than the rest of the nation.
The New York market is going to probably go through a similar window of pain and suffering as it relates to housing, but we're going to be last out, meaning we were the last to see it, and I think we're going to be the last out of it.